Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do some festive fun press-on nails. Stay tuned. Hey, so I'm going to be prepping my nail for me putting on my personal press-on nails at home. I'm just filing my nails down so there won't be no sharp edges and it will be perfect when applying the press-on nail to my actual nail. So this is what we're doing here. So I actually soaked my hands for about 5 minutes just to soften up my cuticles. And then now we're gonna push back the cuticles. I am using a soft cuticle pusher and nail cleaner. These usually work better with my skin because it's sensitive. The metal ones usually cut or sometimes sore my nail bed. So this is what we're doing, pushing back our cuticles. Okay, so now once our cuticles are pushed back, I'm just going to be cleaning any excess around the nail. When I was filing, there might be some dust or dirt inside the nail, so we're just cleaning around it and inside of the nail bed just to make sure that it is clean, because who wants a dirty nail bed while putting on press-ons or getting their nails done in general? So yes, we're cleaning it out. And these are the amazing press-ons. I so adore and love these. I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna leave all the information below in my bio, so if you wanted to get them, you can get them too. I thought that they were so perfect and so festive. Once I seen them in the perfect, oh my God, and the price was to die for too, I was like, I have to get these. These were so cute. So I was like, let me get them. And I could not wait until they come. And here they are. So right now we're gonna actually size them to the nail bed, wall to wall. And once they all fit and we find the fit for each nail size, we're gonna actually apply them to the nails. So I'm going to be using the adhesive tape or gel, they call it, to apply these press-ons. This is very optional. You can also use glue, but I'm just gonna have these on for a holiday event, so I'm not gonna keep them on for a long time. If you wanted to keep them on for longer, you're more welcome to use glue, but we're gonna actually use the adhesive gel for them. Okay, so once your press-ons is on, this is optional as well. I sometimes like to file down the press-on sometimes just to make them look more natural to the nail, make it look like you just got a fresh manicure, like if you were at the salon, or a fresh acrylic set. And then it's just a little, optional step I usually do. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my first time doing press-on nails. If you want them to stay on longer, you can definitely add some glue to them to get them on. The glue usually lasts for a week or 2 weeks. I did the gel, adhesive gel. This is going to be on for temporary because it's just for the holiday event. These are my nails.
Santa baby.